preparing to take the GRE? Hold it right there. I have an important announcement for you that will drastically change your verbal scores. Wondering what mistakes you must avoid while taking the GRE? Want to know the secret to a 160 plus score in verbal? Curious to know what the toppers are doing right and average test takers are doing wrong? And wondering if GRE-at-Home scores are still valid? Well, so many rumors and myths. Confused what to believe in? So were we. And naturally, we did what we do best. We decided to invite the examiners themselves for a live chat with the Yocket family. That's right, Yocket brings to you a chance to get an inside scoop on everything GRE verbal right from the organization that hosts the GRE, the ETS. But wait, there's more. We have for you not one but 2 sessions. These sessions will cover reading comprehension, text completion, GRE vocabulary, sentence equivalence, and analytical writing assessment. So join us on 30th August and 6th September 7 p.m. IST live on Yocket's YouTube channel. Remember, this session will not be recorded or broadcasted later, so make sure you join us in real time to grab this golden opportunity. To join the live session, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications for timely updates. Test Prep Tuesday with Yocket got a whole lot better. Stay notified, subscribe now.